Hi everybody. Today we're going to try Stila Glitter on the Go eyeshadows. And you can get them at Sephora. You get 3 of them for $25 and they're kind of small, but you don't need that much. So this is what they look like. The lightest one is called Kitten Karma. And then there's kind of a rose gold one that's called Rose Gold, and then this one is called Smoldering Satin. So we're going to use all of them, and you can see I've kind of done my eyes already. We went out this afternoon and did some shopping, so I have makeup on from before, but this is something that you can use over your makeup to kind of go from day to night, and that's what's really fun about it. So I am going to start with the lightest one, the Kitten Karma, and I'm gonna kind of shake it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put that kind of all over my eyes. So you can kind of see what it looks like. You can kind of watch. All right, I'm just gonna kind of touch it all over on both sides. Kind of under my brow, like where I put my highlighter, and then kind of down lower too. And you just kind of stipple it. So that's pretty uniform, and then I'm just gonna take that and just tap it. I'll let you see. Tap it on this side. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same on both sides. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just like a little hint of sparkle. Not a lot, so don't panic. There we go. So that's that part. So you can stop with that if you wanted to. But I'm going to do some more. I'm gonna take this Smoldering Satin, and I'm gonna use that kind of as an eyeliner and a little bit more underneath the crease. So this is the darker one, looks like that. So I'm gonna kind of go under, just about a third to half the way in with the Smoldering Satin. And then I'm gonna go also above, and I'm gonna go all the way across. So I know it's kind of sparkly, but I think it's pretty. And I'm going to take some more, and I'm going to go a little bit more above in the outer corner towards the center, and on the other side too. There. Okay. I think that's pretty even. But even if it's not, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's what I like about these. Okay, I'm taking my fingers. Now you do have to use a little makeup remover on your fingers. You can use a brush, I suppose, if you want, but I find my fingers just work better to use for this. So I'm gonna take a Q-tip. Oh shoot. I'm back. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and kind of clean up underneath. There we go. So this is a little messy, I think. That's the downside, but there you go. So I'm gonna kind of come in closer and turn so you can sort of see. What do you think? I love it. Now the other one was the Rose Gold. So I'm gonna put that, believe it or not, I'm gonna use this as a lip topper. They do have lip toppers, but you don't really need to buy one because you can use the Rose Gold as your lip topper. So as you can see, I have kind of a soft reddish lipstick on. Not a lot of it, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Rose Gold and go over, see? And on the top, same thing, and then smush. And then I'm going to take my finger again, and this is so pretty. And then look at that shimmer. Ooh, so beautiful. So that's it. I just took the Kitten Karma, I put that all over my lid. I took the Smoldering Satin, I'm gonna add a little more mascara, and I put that kind of around as a liner, and then I put it also a little bit under the crease, and then I cleaned up, and then I used the Rose Gold on my mouth and added a little more mascara, And I have gone from day to night. So what do you think? I hope you love it. I will link the glitter to go from Sephora on the information below. So I love you. Good to see ya. Bye.